Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about saving a lot of money as a single mom. Being a single parent means you're solely responsible for your family finances. As a provider, it also means that things can get expensive. That's why it's essential you create a winning single mom budget so that you can keep a tight handle on your money. Single moms have lots to juggle, and money is often one of their biggest concerns. It may seem like there is never enough cash to meet everyday expenses or enjoy the occasional treat. This can be depressing for moms who just want to live comfortably and give their children the things they need. While it may seem like there is no way out when bills begin to pile up, the truth is that is it possible to adjust your spending. When you're shouldering the financial burden alone, it's doubly necessary to properly plan out your finances so you can manage your expenses, take care of your children, and still build wealth. 1. Save money on groceries. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS), single-parent households spent 14.9% of their total income on food in 2019, the highest of any household composition. Considering how much single parents spend on food, especially with older children in the house, figuring out how to save money on groceries should be a priority. For starters, switch to a budgeting-friendly grocery store in your area and buy store brands over more expensive alternatives. Additionally, you can try coupon apps and cashback apps like Fetch Rewards and Ibotta to save more on grocery shopping and household essentials. If you're a single mom or have teens at home, these apps can also find deals on menstrual products to offset the pink tax. Reward apps won't dramatically reduce grocery spending, but any amount of money you can save counts. Single parents can also get creative to save money on food. For example, parents of newborns can make homemade baby food as a healthy, cheaper alternative to store brands. If you have an older kid with a massive appetite or multiple kids, you can ease the cost of large, frequent grocery trips. Shopping at a warehouse store like Costco or Sam's Club makes financial sense if your savings outweigh the membership fee. You can supercharge your savings by investing in a standalone freezer to take advantage of sales. Finally, try using kitchen appliances that save you money. Something as simple as a pressure cooker can reduce your food spending by using less energy. You can also use a slow cooker to prepare meals while staying energy efficient. Both appliances also make it easier to cook with less expensive, tougher cuts of meat. The slow cooker's low and slow process breaks down chewy collagen. A pressure cooker can also break down the collagen, and more quickly, but only if you don't overcook the meat. 2. Plan meals in advance. Food is one of the biggest expenses in any household. For single moms, especially those with teenagers, food can disappear quickly. This can leave you with a big weekly bill if you don't plan ahead. Good to know! You can save a lot of money if you plan your meals at the start of the week and only buy the ingredients you need to make those meals. You may plan to cook large dinners 3 nights per week and eat leftovers the other nights. Also, think about what you will need for breakfast, lunch, and snacks. Before you head to the supermarket, take stock of what you have in your kitchen so you don't buy things you already have. 3. Create a monthly budget. Are you thinking, budget my money? What money? When you're barely getting by, the thought of creating a budget might seem ridiculous. However, creating a budget is important no matter how much you earn. A budget is nothing more than a spending plan you can use to dictate where your money goes each month. In that sense, a budget helps you be proactive about your finances versus just letting the chips fall where they may. Once you track your spending from the last few months, create a budget that sets limits for your spending for the upcoming month. Include all your fixed bills like rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, and insurance, and create spending caps for categories where you have some wiggle room. Ideally, you'll be able to set aside some money in your budget for savings right away, even if it's a small amount. 4. Lean on your support network. A common theme in parenthood savings is to ask your support network for help. Hand-me-downs and babysitting help are probably the most common requests, but there are other ways your network can help you save money, some of which might save them money too. Even basic ideas like starting to carpool can help save you and your friends and family gas money. If you need to vent or want to maintain your social life without spending a fortune, invite your friends over for a potluck dinner or game night. Ask your social circle or parent group what they need help with, and put your heads together to figure out how you can help each other save or make money. Start a babysitting circle. Get together on weekends to cook batch meals for the whole gang. Anything you can do to relieve the pressure on each other and save money will help the whole group in the long run. 5. Look for affordable activities. As a single parent, it's often hard to find a moment to breathe. It often feels like you spend every waking moment trying to fill all roles for your kids: caregiver, educator, disciplinarian, and breadwinner. It's hard to find the time, let alone the money, to spend quality time with your family. Between paying the bills and socking money away to pay for your child's college education, spending on outings can be difficult unless you get a bit creative. You can always turn to outdoor activities, regardless of the season. During the fall, backyard camping and hiking trips are free and fun activities for kids. During the summertime, a beach day is a budget-friendly outing. And if you're looking for wintertime activities, visit your local skating rink or build a snow fort in the backyard. If you decide to spend money on outings, try to find venues that offer child admission discounts or free entry. For dining, search your area for restaurants and fast food chains where kids eat free on certain days. Then use any other tips for saving money on eating out to keep even more cash in your wallet. 6. Find a cheaper home. Your home may have been the cheapest you could get at the time, but if you're now unhappy with the rent, you should look for a new place. Understandably, you won't want to disrupt your children too much. 7. Pay your bills on time. Single moms often worsen their financial situation by paying their bills late. The late fees mount up and they hurt your credit score, making it difficult to get a loan or rent an apartment in the future. It's very important that you pay your bills on time. 8. Don't overspend on children's clothing. While housing, food, and transportation are where most people spend their money, clothing still made up 4.4% of annual spending per year for single parents, according to the 2019 BIOS data. Some wardrobe spending is for your own closet, but you have to buy more frequently for growing kids, so it's worth focusing on cutting back there. Luckily, there are several ways to save money on kids' clothing. Money-saving tricks include shopping in the clearance aisles, buying out of season to avoid inflated pricing, shopping at discount superstores like Walmart and Target. If you don't get more than enough hand-me-downs from friends and family, you can post clothes your older child has outgrown on Nextdoor and let your community know you're also looking for new sizes for your little one. Learning how to sew so you can fix minor rips in your kids' clothing. Additionally, you can try shopping online for kids' clothing with a variety of money-saving browser extensions. For example, Rakuten pays you cash back for shopping online at thousands of stores. You can also try Capital One Shopping to apply coupons automatically when you shop online. As a single parent, the responsibility of parenthood rests solely on your shoulders. But that doesn't mean you can't save money, build memories with your child, and still have some free time for yourself. Ultimately, one of the most powerful things you can do is build and lean on a support network. It can consist of other single parents who understand the challenges of solo parenting, your family, or close friends. Whatever the case, being a single parent doesn't mean you have to tackle every challenge on your own. And while there will be stressful moments, the beauty of raising a child and watching them grow is worth it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel for more frugalism videos. Thank you for watching.